Hello, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's 35 and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered snow showers with a high of 38 and a low of 22. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 26.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.